In this guide, I'm going to show you how Ascension works and all of the Ascensions and how you can finish them here in Sailor Piece on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, I'm mid-fight right now with the strongest shinobi, but essentially, Ascension lets you reset and progress further for bonuses like money, gems, and luck. And there is a lot of Ascensions in the game. Some of them are also going to be required for you to reach stuff like C2, for example. Every single one of these Ascensions is going to have a different major requirement. We'll come back and we'll take this guy out as a sec, but you can check all of these here on Sailor Island. So go ahead and interact with the teleporter, go to Sailor Island. Once you're at Sailor Island, from the teleporter, just run into this main area, look over to the left, and you're going to see the Ascension Master right here. Interact with them, and you can go ahead and check to see what exactly your Ascension is going to be. Whoops, I accidentally activated my F move. For the early Ascensions though, it's super easy. You just need like a high player level. You're going to need like enemy kills, total damage dealt, boss fights completed, and as you go higher, you're going to need more specific items like fragment cores and rings plus dungeon clears. Later levels require pretty hard content as well, like the shadow dungeon, blood rings, soul flames, just kind of annoying stuff to grind for, but just complete the full list of this and you guys will be good to go. That's the full process though. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.